Each month, we help financially support 20 different Second Amendment content creators on the Patreon platform. And for the next 5 months, we're going to challenge you to do the same. We call it $2 for 2A. We're encouraging you to spend $20 each month on 10 different content creators. We hope we're one of them. To get you started, we're going to show you the 20 Second Amendment content creators we support.
We'll take a look at YankeeMarshal, friend of ours for many years now, and he's got a pretty big following on Patreon. Yankee is putting out firearms content, has his opinions, his experience with firearms, and is playing with the internet, playing with content creation, and playing with Patreon specifically in a very unique way. So I'm a big fan of Yankees. We've been friends for a long time because he's been playing around and doing interesting stuff online. His motivation is to share and to expand awareness in Second Amendment. Obviously, he's doing it with his own flavor. Now, our goal here is to encourage people to participate in the Patreon platform or other platforms like this. And if Yankee's flavor isn't your style, then that's the whole point, is that there's other people out there. But if Yankee is doing stuff that you appreciate, can't recommend enough. He's got a lot of Patreons, and that's because he's doing good stuff with that resource that he's gathering each month. So he's not doing it for his own gain. He's doing it for interesting projects, and can't encourage you enough to check out Yankee and join us every other Thursday. I join him on a live conversation. We've done that for a long time, and he's does all kinds of stuff online. All right, so that's YankeeMarshal, one of the people that we recommend over on the Patreon platform. All right, next up, we're taking a look at HoshNasi. I'm surprised he hasn't changed the name of his thing to the Ham Radio Crash Course. So Hosh is one that I'll probably end here soon. I started supporting Hosh when he was much smaller, when he was first starting out doing different types of blogs and content creation on YouTube, before he turned into the Ham channel, or the Ham Radio Crash Course, the Ham Radio Focus. He was doing all kinds of different things and always has had a firearms focus, or at least is aware of firearms issues. But now with 242 patrons, that's the kind of goal I'd like to see some of the other people I'm supporting reach. So very few of the people I'm supporting are at that level. And even though I'm a friend of Hosh, I've literally stayed at his house a couple of times, he'll understand when I drop him, my $1 a month is really to spread awareness. And as much as he's doing awesome work with ham radio and stuff, he doesn't need the awareness over here. And I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Let me know what you think. It's only $1. It's really here as a way to show people who we want to support. And I think it's watering down the list a little bit. I'd rather focus on Second Amendment stuff. So every once in a while we do shuffle around who we support and where we throw our $1, and that's what we're encouraging you to do, to throw your $2 around. So I'm still going to encourage you to support Hosh. If you don't know about ham radio, he's offering information and live conversation, resources, and conversation about the various levels of ham radio and different interest levels or levels of experience with ham radio from beginner on up. So he's got an interesting project, and I'm going to encourage you to check it out. Not necessarily, well, he's probably the least 2A of anything at this point on our list, but still an interesting guy and a friend. So that's Hosh, Ham Radio Crash Course.
The guys and gals at gun websites encourage you to take a CCW course every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thanks for watching GunWebsites.com.